like him in unbended knee. It wasn't hard to fall for me. You stood beneath a burning tree in hope to rescue Lee. I figured it's the things I've done, there's something about the man that I've become. Hey, look at all the hearts we've won. These restless.
What's going on, guys? My name is Gary. Welcome to the first adventure with Garold. Today I'm with Kyle. Hi guys. We're at Hickory Run State Park and we're gonna be doing some camping.
I shiver through the words I send. They're warmer than the ones that never left my head. I've made an ocean of this bed. Now I beg you'd starve to roll through it.
We're headed to Hawk Falls right now. Gonna do a little bit of a hike. At the end there's a water hole, and if there's not a lot of people, we're probably gonna go for a swim.
That's it. What's up, guys? It's Kyle here. I kind of do this. I got 3,000 subs on YouTube, so head on over. We're going to Hawk Falls. Gonna go in ice cold, sub-freezing temperature water, depending on if there's alligators or not. So we'll see you there. Peace.
Tell us what you found.
My dog. What's the dog doing?
And if we don't dare to hold it, then this reckless wandering love was never ours.
Should I have Gary's like awning, you could call it, maybe? And the kid doesn't have any poles, so we're roping her up makeshift style with my good old sailor's knot. Is it on?
Let's go. I feel like we should just redo it. Redo the knot.
I think if you turn the knot over here.
No, that's what we do.
Could you do that? Give me a stick. Like you just put a stick right here. Oh no, I need something like that. Like a piece of kindling was.
Like a log?
Yeah. Dude. This is crazy.
It worked.
Talking about.
Oh no! It works.
It's not even like Gary. Like, I think we should.
Fire.
Yeah, you don't want the fire to light the thing out. It's done. I'm calling it. I'm calling it. It's over. Yeah.
You know, it's not good, but it's not bad. But it's not great.
It's kind of bad.
Do you think it'll go?
No, this thing's burning out in any second now. That doesn't feel on too well. Alright, it's on.
Alright, so Kyle has only made burgers one time, and I've never made burgers, so we're leaving it up to him tonight.
Chef Kyle.
Chef Clarence.
Chef Clarence on the sticks.
Yeah.
It'll be good. We'll be eating good tonight. So we don't get any stickage.
You burnt them?
No, they're perfect. I like my burgers a little bit.
Alright, so this is the first taste of Kyle's second burger ever. Let's see it. Dude, that's honestly like pretty great. Really good. Good job, Kyle.
Let's go. You want water?
I would love a water.
I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. I've been sleeping in my bed. So show me family.
Did you think you could do a full flip?
I could break it.
Give us a full flip.
Alright, full flip.
I feel like you might bring the trees down. They don't look too stable. Whee!
Morning, guys. Didn't film much last night. Kyle and I kind of just bantered around the fire and we hung out in the hammocks for a little bit. It is 7:32 now and we're going to be heading out to the Boulder Field now to check that out. And if we have time before the rain, we're going to go look at the Lehigh Valley Gorge. Before we head out, Kyle's going to make us some breakfast though.
You can feel whatever you want to feel.
What did you just say to me?
I said you can feel whatever you want to feel. Doesn't mean it's true. It's a bar.
This is Kyle Learn's steak and eggs.
Kind of trash.
7 out of 10.
Mary and the matriarch is stirring in the dark. She knows just what.
Alright guys, the Boulder Field was closed, but we're at Shades of Death Trail now. We got a 2.2 mile out and back, and I think there's a lake at the end, so let's go.
Oh, she never knows what's on my mind, on my own time. Cause that feels right as I move very well. Yes, I move.
This is why we're called the Adventures with Garold.
Why?
Watch this.
No way, he just did that. That's crazy.
And I'm good, feels better than I'm hanging on when I need the time alone. So I pitched a tale with a wild things crow to feel the earth again. Try to avoid the pollution from this revolution. Try to see the dust.
We're here in front of a nice body of water. That's kind of it. 20 bucks if I hit that right there.
25.
Show them the thing. Alright, ready? That was actually really close.
That was close.
I'm I'm your wreck, like I'm a wreck. I'm a wreck, but I'm your wreck, like I'm your wreck, like life's a bitch I swallowed. No teeth, no air.
Feeling pretty tired. It's starting to rain. Looking to go back to Sammy and hit the road, Jack.
No plans, and whatever happens is mine.
We made it back to the campsite. We're gonna eat our lunches now, probably pack up and then hit the road.
If you liked, become part of the Collins clan or Garold Gangster and subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff.
Turn on the post notifications.
Yeah, it really helps chill out. Collins clan out.
And I burn the letter. This is